guys, today I'm making another video. It's just been a massive snowstorm, and yeah, now look at this. Just look at it. Child is there. Just look at him. Sorry if you can't see much, 'cause it's pretty cold. I'm wearing a turtleneck and I'm still cold. Child. He's eating that giant stick that I found in the forest. Sorry I didn't record that. That was actually when I was 8, now I'm 9. He thinks that I'm circling him, so he's moving his butt around. Nope, no he doesn't. He just wants to get that giant stick. Anyway, so my gloves are in my pockets. Yeah. The aftermath of, it's not that red on camera because it's quite cold outside, but the moon's in the sky. See it? Yeah, it's right there. This here. Oh, there's also a helicopter right here. Yeah, here. Oh man, it's actually pretty close. It's right there. There. Just went over the moon. Oh no. Oh no. I have no idea where it is now. Oh, it's over there. Somewhere. Supposed to be. There. Oh no, now it's just went off into the distance. I haven't been making videos because I had to kill a virus. Jesus! Oh. Jeez. Charlie, why do you have to make so many holes? It's basically a scrapyard right now. Pretty cold. The reason why I didn't make any videos right at all is because I struck down with the killer virus. It's not a computer virus. I mean, it is, but it's also a human virus. So, yeah, I almost died. That's one thing. But there being a massive snowstorm is another. Wait. I can't fit the I in there. But it's supposed to say like. Can you see this? Like. Do you see that? Nope. I don't think you saw that. And I just screamed, so now Charlie's over there. And he just, yeah. Jeez, I almost slipped. So if you only see me mostly in this vlog, or my thumb, this is the thumb, yeah. It's almost my 10th birthday. I'll be sure to record that if I can. My finger is really cold for making that not seeable like thing. I'll try and make it again. Well, Charlie's distracted. So cold. It's so cold. And look, Charlie's paw prints are there. Oh, there he goes. But yeah, right now it is about how much? Oh, not supposed to happen. Right now it's 16:57. It's the 27th of January, 2018. Happy New Year. I just fell. And now my leg's snowy. And also my hand is freezing. Alright, one day I was thinking of making a fall cam. So every time I fall, so I'm going to be doing a fall cam once I fall enough. That's obviously one of them. I fell into Charlie's hole, which is right here. Do you see that? See that, guys? I don't know. I'm not recording with my smart camera yet because it still doesn't have a SIM card. You know, all that stuff. Oh, that's so cold. I should probably put on my gloves. But then again, Charlie, you little brat, will try and eat it. I meant. Oh, no. Okay. Anyway, guys, it's 6 minutes into the vlog. I can only do it for about 9 minutes, 58 seconds. But yeah, I'm just doing a simple vlog today because, I can't do much right now. Still a little bit ill. So it's actually very unhealthy for me to be outside. But my mother's not home. I don't care. My hand is hurting so much. Neither that. It's numb. Great. When my mum's can't speak. When my mum comes home, she'll probably be like, "What happened to our yard? I mean, it was snowy and beautiful in the morning. Now what happened to it?" But yeah, I've just come back from school. Just had a snowball fight with my stepdad, which is unusual because he's lazy and he does not do much. But yeah, 7 minutes into the vlog. I'm sorry, it's the early way to get my hand warmer. Just look at Charlie. Anyway, I think... Oh, my fingers are warmed up now. I think that this video is very strange because for some reason I have a garbage can here filled with snow and holes and some sort of microwave. Ugh, snowy, powdery. Yeah. My neighbour's just come back from something. Don't exactly know. Oh, here's a guy. I never knew that. I thought he was orange. That's fine. Anyway. So, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry I did this. My stings are starting to hurt. Anyway, I better get home. Well, not home because I'm already home. I'm just in my garden. Yeah, our garden's a little bit big, but not too big, because then it will seem like I'm a rich person. This is my garden. Still behind the pot now. My neighbor has like 1 million pets. She has like 7 rabbits and stuff, but sadly, I'm going to have to stop the vlog here because it's getting quite late and my video percentage isn't being that great at all. Because, yeah, now I only have a few seconds to do the last part. Bye, guys, and goodbye. It'll go soon.